Hi guys, so today we are making crispy potatoes. We're gonna chop this, peel this, and chop this, and then we're gonna make it into what I am thinking of making, like fried potatoes, like shallow fried potatoes. So I've switched on the gas, I've put cold water, but I've stopped so that I see where the potatoes will reach. So we need to add more water. And then we will add our salt. If you have baking powder or baking soda, this is where you should add it, just for extra crispiness. But I don't, so I'm gonna just cook it like that. So we're gonna cover it to simmer. I'm gonna cook it for about 15 minutes till it is fork tender. Let's check if they are fork tender at this point. Yeah, as you can see, we don't want it to be overcooked because we're still cooking it on the stove. Yeah, this is good. So we're gonna switch off and we're gonna drain this water. So I've drained the water, as you can see. So I'm shaking it to fluff it up a little bit. That is very nicely fluffed up. Now we're gonna go to the next cooker. So we switch it on. When will I ever get a hang of this thing? There we go. Now we reduce the heat. Then we put some cooking oil. We let it become super hot. I know you're thinking maybe this oil is a lot, but actually it isn't. So I missed potatoes, so that's why we are making this dish. And it's good for any child, really, because kids like potatoes. And I'm gonna make some sausages on the side to have with these potatoes. It's getting there. We want it to be very hot so that we can crisp this up, the potatoes. I'm gonna move it closer so that I can just, yeah. Well, you can dump it in if you decide, but I'm gonna just do this because I wanna make sure it's like one layer. So let me finish up and then I will show you the end product. So I finished arranging. So this is what I'm left with. So this is another one round. So we're gonna first finish doing this batch and then we'll do the other batch. But if you have 2 pans, I do, but I just want to use one. Why add on dirty utensils while I've just washed up the other batch? So yeah, let's wait. So now I was checking the ones which have become brown, and you pan them, yeah? You pan them. Like you can just see from the edges, others are brown, and I'm telling you they're super crispy. So yeah, you should try this. So I'm gonna continue doing this until I can all of them. So I'll show you once I'm done. So we are done with the first batch. So I want you to see the outcome. Plus, listen, very crispy. Like, I'm not even kidding about how crispy this is. So it's a little bit hard. You can dip it in whatever sauce. You can have it with your beef stew. You can have it with whatever, but we are gonna have it with sausages. So bon appetit. So nice.